afternoon, everybody. It's Ethan from the Diamond. And I'm going to show you some stuff. So we already got a tree up. Got a tree. Hey, what? I didn't even notice that. I was on the shelf something. Oh God. I guess I found them today. Like, pug. Come on. Look at the camera. Look at it. Show everybody. You. This is my dog. My pug, Karma. Yeah. It's awesome. I think it got upside down there for a second. Sorry about that. And it's starting to look a lot like Christmas. All the lights and stuff. Decorations, and it's snowing outside. Woohoo! Out here. I made a little scene over here for all my Christmas stuff. See the tree and the tree fell over. And buddy, meet Snowman. Numbers. And by the way, my birthday was just on the 28th. That's why there's decorations everywhere. You can't notice. Where's my cat? Oh, there he is. Hello. His name's Ace. Acey. Hello, kitty. Oh. More decorations. We're already decorating the world out of this. Boy, this is awesome. Yeah. More. Oh, and there's like a million presents. Oh, I love that present. So, couldn't miss that. So I think we're gonna go. I think we're gonna go now. So that was all the decorations we have up. And there, are you gonna look at the camera now, Pug? Yeah. That's gonna be it for this episode. This vlog. So, bye. Woo!